Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can stop this from happening to your affiliate websites. See what just happened? If you did not notice, I just scrolled from top to bottom, and so this is a problem that's going to happen with your website. Sometimes people are just going to visit your website and they're just going to scroll from top to bottom and just opt out from the website. How to stop this? In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit of secret that most people don't understand and most affiliate marketers don't use in their copy. If you write some content that has a lot of text, say for example this text throughout the website, if you have only this kind of chunks of text and nothing else, what will happen? People will not get interested to read from this website. So this is what you need to understand. In order to make a website or even a landing page, you have to make sure that people gets engaged with the content. So that is why we are going to learn how to stop people from scrolling down the website and making sure that whatever points you have written, they read through the points, they go through the bucket brigades, read the second next line on the next paragraph, and then clicks on your opt-in button. So in this article, I have written a text. You can see I've written a title that is in a different font size than the overall website. So this is what you need to do as well. You need to start with your title. You need to have questions that are different in stylings or even font size or even color. You can test it out, because without testing we cannot be sure what is working or not. So first is to use different font size and font style. The second is you have to use images. Without images or videos, people are not going to be interested in going through your website. People just don't like to see a lot of text. If you even do a lot of images, people won't be interested to see that. Some people might be interested, but the thing is, it won't be a high converting website. So for that, you need to include images, you need to include videos, and below video you need to put the link to your website, link to your affiliate program. So this is what you need to do. This is a quick video. I'm not going to tell you what you need to start with, or I'm not going to create website for you. You have to take action on whatever video I'm putting in. Bucket brigades, I've already talked about what are bucket brigades. This is what is called bucket brigade, not this particular sentence that I'm showing. But the thing is, you have to write a content, write a paragraph, write a sentence, and then in the next line, you have to use some words that will make people realize they have to read the next line. Say, for example, I've written a big chunk of text here, and in my next line, I've written, remember one thing. What is this one thing? If they are interested, they will surely read the next line. Humans are attracted, and so on. So this is what is called bucket brigade. So I'll link down in the description one website that has total of 502 phrases that prevents website visitors from scrolling from top to bottom, as I've shown you in the first instance of this video. So you can go through all of them. You don't have to read all of them or use all of them, but the thing is, if you implement certain bucket brigades in your content, that would help you to make sure that people go through your website slowly and steadily from top to bottom, and they don't just scroll up and down. So this is it, guys. I've already talked about everything, and I hope you're learning from this training videos that I'm putting right now. And I'll surely link down in the description of the bucket brigade list that I follow all the time. And do one thing, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel so that I get notified about your content. What do you want in all these modules? What do you want in from me to help you become a successful affiliate marketer? I want to learn from you. You are not just learning from me. I want to also learn from you what your doubts are, what your questions are. If you have any doubt, hit me up in the comment section or visit my website. I've already put a link in the description. and you can contact me via Facebook also. So try your best, do each and every module properly, and I hope to see you in my next video.